Right, right.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Look at all the Aprilias in there. Look over there, man.
We'll do our bike shopping. It's not fair.
I think the blue GSXR might look better than your red one, you
I
know.
fucking don't.
I think it might.
No, it doesn't.
Sure?
Yeah.
I think it might.
No, look at it. No. Oh, I do like the blue one, but
I don't know. So your red one, yeah? Yeah? Although that little 400 looks pretty badass. Yeah? Compared to the blue one. This has got the better headlight on it as well. And this is a thou. I think this.
no.
Oh, what about this R1M? This R1M might look better than yours. Yeah. That Gixxer Thou looks pretty bad. Looks pretty badass. Yeah, so does that R1M. I'm amazed at how good this little 400 looks. It's awesome. Isn't it?
You're on my bike. My bike is cool. My bike's sexy. Yes, it is.
Okay, if you say so. It's getting a bit old now though.